let's do this Twitter AMA thing. All right, first question on Twitter from Chernobog Felix Terzimalco. I'm extremely sorry, I butchered your name. How long it takes to learn PowerShell to be an average PowerShell specialist, but having in mind you have a life outside of work. Well, I will give you the same advice that I give just about everyone that asks this question is it depends. I know you hate the answer, but yes, it depends. It depends on how much time you have at work. So what I mean by that is the best way to learn PowerShell is to automate stuff, figure out ways to incrementally find opportunities at work. So for example, if you find yourself, I don't know, creating an AD user over and over again, or moving a particular file here or there, or doing something that may have an API you can reach out to. These little bitty tasks that you need to encounter and to just try to automate with PowerShell. There's been some days where I've seen some people that have just taken the entire 1 day a week and just try to do everything in PowerShell. It just takes lots and lots of doing. At the same time, you also need to have some foundational knowledge. In that case, I typically would do a video course. So I'll do a video course, like on Pluralsight has a lot of good PowerShell stuff. I would do one on there, and then at the same time, I would be trying to apply those skills and finding real-world applicable ways to approach that. As far as time is concerned, you can be, fairly proficient at PowerShell in, I don't know, maybe 6 months to a year. It depends on if you have any previous experience with programming and coding. If you do, it's going to substantially help you out a lot. But if you're an IT pro that has just never really got into computer science and coding, it's definitely going to take longer because you have to learn the basics of, if statements and loops and variables and all that stuff. So yeah, if you have no experience at all with programming, you're gonna have to learn the basics first before you can really learn how to use PowerShell well. If not, if you've already have the basics, then I don't know. I would say 6 months to a year. It just all depends on how much time you have and how dedicated you are to learning it.